Alright, so in this video I'm going to be going over on how exactly you can scrape Builtwith leads in the companies, whatever you want to find out through Builtwith, literally less than your coffee budget, right? And for those who don't know what Builtwith actually is, so in this case scenario, Builtwith basically allows you to find out those companies who are using XYZ tools. So let's take a quick scenario, right? I want to find out those companies who are using HubSpot. So I'm simply going to search HubSpot. So this is the HubSpot, right? I'm going to search it up, and once I'm going to click on lookup, and now I just have to find where are all the lead lists, right? So basically I'm going to, let's say, click on HubSpot, and these are all the statistics and all that, and from here I can download the lead list, and if I just go into there, get a list of somewhere about 1.5 million, right? 1.5 million companies are using HubSpot. And how exactly finds, let's suppose I just search my own company, Leadamax, and basically, the HTML code probably in the header, in the footer, that is the code that is going to be embedded into the website, right? So it basically checks up those codes which are embedded of HubSpot into all those companies, right? So in this case now, you can see all these companies are using HubSpot, and it's somewhere about 1.5 million, right? 1.5 million and 23,000, so on and so forth, right? These are all the companies that are using, Solutions, AXS. These guys are using HubSpot. So based on that, you want to find out how exactly you can scrape it up, right? So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to go into Leadamax Code to Close Slack community. And as you can see, one of the customer has already got a couple of orders, 6-7 orders coming in, already fulfilled that, so on and so forth. What you want to do is simply go into Scraper-Max by Leadamax, and what you want to do, just paste the Builtwith link. That's it. This specific link, you just have to paste that. Let's suppose we take a quick case scenario of, so we're going to take a quick case scenario. I'm going to search up this link, and all these companies, let's suppose all the companies, all the websites who are using GiveButter, right? So it's somewhere about 1,630 who are currently using GiveButter. So we're going to take a short example so that we can quickly pile up the video. But anyways, this is a quick example. What I'm going to do, I'm simply going to copy this Builtwith link, right? And I'm simply going to go into Scraper-Max by Leadamax, and then I'm simply going to just paste it, right? That's it. I'm just going to paste it. And if you just go into plans, right, this is how expensive Builtwith is for all these new companies who are just starting out, startups and individuals. This is how much you have to pay, right? If you want to kind of scrape unlimited, you have to pay $9.95 a month, I believe. So yep, that's a month. And if you want it for the whole year, that's $9,950 for unlimited, right? For those companies who are just starting out, they just can't dial you $10,000 on just Builtwith, right? It's not feasible, right? So I'm going to do, I've pasted this link, and within a couple of minutes, I should have the complete lead list in my sheets. So I've got a notification, and I have got the complete GiveButter lead list, right? As you can see, GiveButter Builtwith Leadamax, right? So you get domain, you get location site, technology. So I'm just going to kind of expand it up, and that's it. Technology spend, sales revenue, social, employees, SKU, company, vertical, page rank, X, Twitter, Instagram, city, state, zip, country, first detected, last founded, and all that. All these important information that you probably need. And basically, since you've already got the website, all you have to do, take all these websites, these domains, add them to Apollo, and find the people who are working in those companies, right? Now you don't have to worry about, industries, keywords, and all that. That's already solved. You just have to worry about what are the job titles you need. You have to worry about from which countries and what is the employee size, right? You simply can build out the persona, right? This is exactly how you can scrape the complete Builtwith, literally almost free of cost, right? And if you want to join the Leadamax Code to Close community, the link for that is going to be in the description. And this specific scraper, which we use in-house, is known as Scraper-Max by Leadamax, right? Link for that is going to be description. You can just simply check it out if you want to. And if you're a B2B company or B2B SaaS company who's looking to add more qualified leads and meetings into the pipeline and basically expanding their pipeline, at the end of the day, you guys can probably have a really great IPO exit or probably even scale your company. So you can just, if you want to work with us, add more qualified meetings into the pipeline on performance basis, you can just check out the first link in description and probably in the comments, and you can book a call with me. And always, I'm staring for far, and I'm always rooting for you.